Welcome back to MVP Auto 08. Today BMW has always been a leader in the high-performance SUV game, and the 2025 BMW X5 M takes it to the next level. This beast blends luxury, technology, and raw power into a package that demands attention. If you're looking for an SUV that can dominate the road while keeping you wrapped in comfort, this might just be the perfect choice. Let's start with the design. The 2025 X5 M carries BMW's signature kidney grille, but now with a more pronounced blacked-out look that gives it an even sportier vibe. The sleek laser headlights not only look futuristic but also offer superior visibility. You'll also notice larger air intakes, muscular fenders, and a sculpted hood that screams performance. BMW has equipped this powerhouse with staggered wheels, adding to its aggressive stance. And at the back, a bold diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and an updated taillight design make it unmistakably M. Now, let's talk about what makes the X5 M a true performance machine: the engine. Under the hood, BMW packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out a monstrous 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque in the competition model. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, insane for a luxury SUV. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers seamless shifts, while the X-Drive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, whether you're launching off the line or carving through corners. BMW has fine-tuned the adaptive M suspension, giving the X5 M the ability to be both a track-ready monster and a comfortable daily driver. Switch to Comfort mode, and the ride softens up for long cruises. Flip it into Sport Plus, and you unlock razor-sharp handling with a stiffened suspension, perfect for tackling winding roads. Step inside, and you're greeted with M-specific sport seats, wrapped in premium merino leather with carbon fiber trim throughout. The heated and ventilated seats provide maximum comfort, whether you're on a road trip or tearing up the track. Technology is another area where the X5 M shines. It comes with BM's latest curved display, a stunning 14.9-inch touchscreen paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system is smooth, intuitive, and packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a powerful Bowers & Wilkins sound systems. And when it comes to safety, BMW has loaded this SUV with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. You'll also get BMW's Parking Assistant Plus, making tight parking spots a breeze. One of the coolest interior features: dynamic ambient lighting. The cabin transforms with customizable LED lighting that changes based on your driving mode: red in sport, blue in comfort, and so on. So, who is the 2025 BMW X5 M for? If you want an SUV that delivers supercar-like performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxury in every detail, this is it. With its insane power, aggressive styling, and advanced features, the X5 M is the perfect balance of brute force and sophistication. What do you think of the 2025 BMW X5 M? Is it the ultimate performance sub? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and car content right here on MVP Auto 08.